Everyone, I'm going to show you how to record the macro in Microsoft Word. So first, go to the View tab, then click Macros right here. Click Record Macro. You can assign your macro name in here, but I'm just going to use 123 and click the document that you want to store your macro, then click OK. I'm just going to show you how to use this macro by using simple method. I'm just going to use drop cap. After this, you go back to the view tab and then stop record. So for the second activity, I'm going to show you how to use the macros after we record it. So first, select the items that you want to choose and then click the macros. Select view macros and choose the macro that you recorded. So I'm going to use macro 3. Then click run. So for the third exercise, I'm going to show you how to use macros by making a keyboard shortcut. So first go to the view tab, then click macros, click record macro, then select keyboard. So you can choose any combination in your macros by clicking the keys that you want to select. So I'm just going to use Alt Control D because I'm just going to use drop caps. Then click assign, then close. So go to the insert and pick drop caps. Go back the macros, then stop recording. So how to use that? Just pick the paragraph that you want to use, then click the command that you type in, which is Control Alt D. Now I'm going to show you how to use macros in Microsoft Excel. But first, we have to go to the file, click options, go to customize ribbon, then select developer here and click OK. Then after that, go to the developer tab, then record the macro. So I'm just going to use macro 1 as my name. Then choose the things that you want to do in your macro. Just going to bold this, make it color blue with red fonts. Then go back to the developer, then stop recording. So for the next exercise, I'm going to show you how to use the macros in Microsoft Excel. So first, go to the developer tab, then record the macro. You can name your macro here, but I'm just going to use macro 3. Then modify your table if you want to modify anything. I'm just going to make it simple so you can understand it. Then go back to the developer tab and then stop recording. Then after that, if you want to modify any other table, you can just go to the macros and then choose the macro name that you have recorded, then click run. The last tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use macros in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first, you have to go to the file, click options, click customize ribbon, then select developer tab, click OK. So you have to go to the developer tab, click the macros. Now I'm going to name this as shuffle, then click create. And after that, you have to make code, but I already have one. Now to save this, you have to click this, click no, save. So how do we use this macros? So let's go to the macros, then click run. Insert the highest slide, which is 7, and the lowest, which is 1. Now my slides have been shuffled. Now for some more codes, I'm going to give you how to make this picture a full size. So first go to the macros. Then I already have the macro, so I'm just going to show you the codes. So click step into. So this is how I am going to make the picture in full size. So go to the macros, then select run.